Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. Today we're talking about something that can totally transform your outdoor living space, even if you're working with limited square footage. Small outdoor kitchen designs that pack a serious punch. You may be asking if an outdoor kitchen investment is worth the cost? Well, adding an outdoor kitchen can boost your home's value by over 2%, with ROI ranging from 55% to 200%. But the real value is in all those memorable moments you'll create with family and friends. Now, let's break down the essentials for maximizing your space. First, start with a smart layout. L-shaped designs work great in corners, while galley-style kitchens are perfect for narrow spaces. And don't forget to think vertically. Mount some shelves, add hooks for utensils, and consider fold-away features like drop-leaf prep tables. When it comes to appliances, think compact and multifunctional. Look for grills with fold-down shelves or built-in cutting boards. A mini fridge can be just as useful as a full-size one, and it saves tons of space. For materials, durability is key. Stainless steel, granite, and treated concrete are all fantastic options that'll stand up to the elements while looking absolutely stunning. Want to make your space feel bigger? Use light colors, add some strategic lighting, and consider mounting a mirror to create the illusion of more space. For a deeper dive into everything we covered today, plus tons more tips and tricks, check out our comprehensive guide in the description below. And if you're ready to start planning your dream outdoor kitchen, head over to patioproductions.com to explore our curated selection of outdoor kitchen essentials and get expert advice from our team. Thanks for joining us, and go enjoy some quality outdoor living.